Hi students, good evening and welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. Today we are going to discuss the small question from seating arrangement. Actually this question has been given in the Telegram channel I think in the morning, and most of the students must have finished this one by this time, because this question is not that much advanced level question. This type of questions you can expect at in clerical level examinations. Now coming RRB clerk examination is there. For that one, for prelims, this is one of the best questions for you. Even in mains also you can expect this type of questions in clerical cadre exams. And along with this question, students, we have uploaded one more question in the Telegram channel, that is from data sufficiency advanced model. Generally that type of questions are asked in many officer cadre mains examination. Okay, so I'll explain that question to you tomorrow. By the way, data sufficiency advanced model questions, I made a video in the morning, in the afternoon of course, for our regular students, those who have purchased the course, and it's going to be uploaded tonight or tomorrow morning. You can you should watch the video for advanced questions from data sufficiency. Okay, anyway students, come back to this question. Let's start it very quick, and the reasonable timing for this question is not more than 1.5 to maximum 2 minutes. Try for that one, right? Those students who have not finished that one, pause the video here, take 2 minutes time and try to finish the question with speed and of course accuracy. Now let's start this one. I'm doing it for you. Take this one, how they have given 7 persons are there sitting in a straight line, not necessarily in the same order. Regular data they have given, but this information is very important. What is that? Some of them are facing north and some of them are facing south. We don't know out of 7 people how many are facing north and how many are facing south. You need to find it out. Okay, now take the first information, students. What's that? Only 2 people are sitting to the left of V. Here a very important sentence and important word, key word is there in that one. What is that? Only plays a vital role in many puzzles, many seating arrangement questions, right? There is a big difference between 2 people are sitting to the left of V, only 2 people are sitting to the left of V. What's the difference here? I'll tell you the difference, students, but before that let us take this sentence here and I'll start the question. Here I don't know whether V is facing north or south. I'm going with 2 possibilities simultaneously. One V is facing north, other one V is facing south. Let's take in this way. V is first I'm taking north. Only 2 people are sitting left to the V. Now how to go for this one? Suppose if I take V here in this way, right? Now I'll tell you the difference between when only is there, only is not there. When V is facing north, only 2 people are seated left to V. That means here of course 2 persons will come. Okay, just we will take it in this way. Okay, just here I'm keeping. Okay, right, only 2 people. So 1 person I'm keeping here, this is the other person. The very meaning of only means out of 7 persons excluding V, out of 7 excluding V, 6 are there. Out of those 6, only 2 are to the left of V. That means remaining 4 are on the right side of V. Now you see, that is the difference between only 2 people left to V and if you go for just 2 people left to B, left to V means I am talking about 2 people who are left of V, not about these 4. When they have used the word only 2 persons are to the left side of V means remaining 4 persons are on the right side of V. Remember this one, I am telling you repeatedly. This is going to be one of the fantastic techniques for you for many questions in puzzle and seating arrangement. Now we take the next one here. Next in the sense, V's other direction, south. Suppose I am taking V here. Okay, now I am imagining that V is facing south and only 2 are on the left of V. First, second, this is the left side. Okay, remaining 4 are on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you must have got the idea. This is the right beginning, students. Now go for the next information quickly. Here only 2 people sit between V and Q. So two people sit between V and Q, maybe on the right side or left side, whatever it may be. Two people between V and Q means this is V, two people, I cannot keep Q here. So for that reason, two people, it must be Q. As simple as this one. As far as this arrangement is concerned, two people between V and Q means this side, that is not possible. Two persons here, it should be Q. As simple as this. Count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now go for the next information here. P sits second to the left of Q. How do they take this one? P sits second to the left of Q. I don't know whether Q is facing north or south, but if Q is facing south, this is the left side, second left is not possible. For that reason, Q must face north. Now here, P sits second to the left of Q. First second, it must be P. Okay, even here you see P sits second to the left of Q. Q must face south. Only then this is the left side. First second, it must be P. Hope you are following this one. See students, till now I am not able to eliminate any one of these two possibilities there. Now go for the next information here. The immediate neighbors of P face opposite directions. Now another important information. Immediate neighbors of P face opposite direction means, suppose I am P, right? Who are my immediate neighbors? This person and this person. So immediate neighbors of P face opposite direction means comparison is there between these two. If one person is facing north, other person should face south. No way it is comparison with the direction in which P is looking at. Got the clarity? Immediate neighbors of P face opposite direction means if one of the neighbors is facing north, other one should face south and vice versa. Okay, now let's take this one. Immediate neighbors of P face opposite directions. This is P. One of the neighbors is V, facing north. The other person must face south. As simple as this one. Okay, even here also, this is one neighbor, this is the other neighbor. This neighbor is south, this one should be north. Okay, now go for the next information here. This one I am taking. Only one person sits between P and R. Now here, P, one person, R, this side not possible. P, one person, R, simple. Now here also, only one person between P and R. P, one person, R, not possible. P, one person, R, of course, yes. Okay, now go very quick here. Next one, what's the next one here? U sits third to the left of R. Now here, U sits, excuse me, U sits third to the left of R. This is R, right? This is, if he faces south, only then it is possible anyway. So U sits third to the left of R. R must face south. Only then third left is this one. First, second, third, it should be U. Even here also you take students here. U sits third to the left of R. R must face north. Only then first, second, third, it should be U. Okay, even now also I am not able to eliminate anything here. Now go for the next one here. S is not an immediate neighbor of Q. How to take it further? S is not an immediate neighbor of Q. I should not keep S here, but I can go for S here. Now all the persons are accommodated except one person. Who is that person? SRVPU, T is left out. Now this is T. Okay, even here you see S is not an immediate neighbor of Q. I shouldn't keep S here. Then S must be here. And of course this place should be given to T. Okay, now go for the next information here. That's over. S is not immediate neighbor. Now you observe students here. I am not able to eliminate any one of the possibilities between these two. Both are okay till now. Okay, now go for the next information here. Both the immediate neighbors of R face the same direction. The same thing here. Both the immediate neighbors of R face the same direction. Suppose if I am R, one neighbor here, other neighbor here, both should face the same direction. Okay, now here immediate neighbors of R, one of the neighbors V facing north, S must face north accordingly. Okay, now here also R is here, one of the neighbors is V, V is facing south, this person also must face south. As simple as this one. Okay, now go for the next information here. P faces the same direction as that of R. Now P faces the same direction as that of R. R is facing south, P must be south. Even here also, P faces same direction that of R. R is facing north and P must face north. Okay, now observe this one, students. Still now I am not able to eliminate anything here. Now the next information they have given, Q sits to the immediate left of T. Now you see, Q sits immediate left of T. Now here, and before that have they given anything about T? Yes, I forgot this. Yes, T faces north. Even if they have not given this also, this is okay. But let's, T faces north. Now Q sits to the immediate left of T. Observe this one carefully, students. When T is here, this is the right side, this is the left side, because T is facing north. So Q sits immediate left of T here. Yes, absolutely right. This possibility is right. What about this possibility here? Q sits immediate left of T means Q is facing south. A person who is facing south, this is left side, this is right side. According to this one, T is sitting to the right of Q, not on the left side as mentioned in the given data. That means this point, this sentence, this clue is violated here. I am not able to fulfill this one. For that reason, this arrangement is wrong. Oh, this is how exactly you have to do the question. Hope you must have got the idea. Sometimes students, what if they won't give the last information? Q sits to the immediate left of T. In that case, both the possibilities will be right, because T is not. Even here also I forgot to, this is not okay. What if they have not given this information? Of course, both the possibilities, both the arrangements are right. It does not mean that every time you have to left out with only one arrangement. Some students may be confused. We are habituated to that one. Suppose if we start the question with 3 arrangements, one by one arrangements will be eliminated and finally will be left out with one arrangement. Of course, that is okay, but it does not mean that every time it is like that. Sometimes you can get this type of arrangements also. If they have not given this one, both arrangements would be correct. Okay, so you have to practice as many questions as possible. Anyway, students, the reasonable timing for this one is 1.5 to 2 minutes. I hope most of you must have done this one, and at the same time, the students who have not completed this one with 100% accuracy within 1.5 or 2 minutes, you don't get disappointed, demotivated, nothing is there. You need extra practice. Only with the help of practice after learning the concept, because basics are very important. In my regular classes, I made it very clear for you, because once the concept is clear, only then you can go for the practice, right? First learn the concept, go for vigorous practice, unconditional practice. Automatically you will get accuracy, thereby speed. Okay, right. So I'll meet you in the next session, students. Let's close this one here only, and I request all of you to inform your friends and other people in your circles also to join the Telegram channel, so that I'm going to give many free lessons for you. And for our regular students, it's a repetition for you, because we have already discussed this type of questions in our course. Of course, I'm going to give some additional questions also here. Even for the other students also, it's going to be immensely beneficial. Thank you very much, students.